beautiful raised bed vegetable gardens ideas. Grow your own vegetables, ideas for raised bed gardens. A raised bed vegetable garden is a great way to grow your own vegetables in a small space. It allows you to create a garden that is tailored to your individual needs and preferences, and offers a variety of options for growing vegetables. In this article, we will explore some of the most beautiful raised bed vegetable garden ideas and discuss how to create a successful garden. What are the benefits of having a raised bed vegetable garden? Easier to maintain. Raised beds are easier to maintain than traditional in-ground gardens. The soil is more accessible, making it easier to add nutrients and water. Weeding is also easier since the soil is higher off the ground. Improved drainage. Raised beds allow for better drainage than traditional in-ground gardens. The soil is less likely to become waterlogged, which can lead to root rot and other plant diseases. Improved soil quality. The soil in raised beds is often of higher quality than in-ground soil. This is because the soil is not compacted and can be amended with organic matter more easily. Increased yields. Raised beds can produce higher yields than traditional in-ground gardens. This is because the soil is of higher quality and can be amended more easily. Easier access. Raised beds are easier to access than traditional in-ground gardens. This makes it easier to tend to the garden and harvest the vegetables. What are some tips for creating a successful raised bed vegetable garden? Choose the right location. Make sure the area gets plenty of sunlight and is away from any trees or other plants that could shade your garden. Prepare the soil. Make sure to mix in plenty of organic matter such as compost or aged manure to help the soil retain moisture and provide nutrients for your plants. Choose the right plants. Research the plants you want to grow and make sure they are suitable for the climate and soil type in your area. Plant in blocks. Planting in blocks rather than rows will help maximize the space in your garden and make it easier to care for your plants.